We bring you the chilling story of how a family from Fullerswood, St. Elizabeth escaped in chest-high water hurricane. As Melissa ravaged their home, the family not only lost everything, but they were pounced upon by masked robbers last night. Kalisha Williams has our story.
Me did come back alive because when my son come for work and see me half dead in the house, he flew to the hospital with me.
So as you can hear, Miss Gaudi's story is just one of many we've been hearing throughout St. Elizabeth. We're actually trying to get to Black River right now, but the road is still impassable. Miss Gaudi, I don't even know what to say right now because I can just imagine.
God.
Talk to me about.
Sometimes Miss God knows. Sometimes the man send me sometimes you feel like it's time, so I don't scare me. I don't know. God,
Oh my gosh,
I feel fed up, but God knows I feel fed up.
I'm happy you're here with us, and I'm happy you're still alive.
And me and my husband and my wife, and so we have to hug up and see, because they know, so me have the asthma now. They hug me up tight, and we ears them and sting. Then the water swell come right up here, so.
Any of the officials, you saw any of the officials in the area who could have assisted you to go to a shelter before the storm?
I don't see nobody move, me not tell
And
no
would you have
lie.
gone if you had seen somebody?
Yeah, because end up last time when one storm me passed through near Ivan, the fire truck he come for us.
And you were saying that on top of that, people also came and they were looting?
Yes, last night they had mass up themselves and we bad out and we said, Jesus Christ, when are going to do it now? Eh?
So you still have nowhere to go at this point?
We don't have nowhere to go, miss. We don't have nowhere to go. Right now, at the abandoned building we have up there, so when I put my son there, so I'm going there. Up here, some of the cement dust and so we just sneeze. We don't have nothing. We don't have no
So
mattress.
no one passed
Not even piece of mattress.
No one passed to assist you or anything at all?
Nobody no give me nothing, miss. Me not tell no lie. We hungry, God know. Right now, my mouth is supposed to smell or something because you know so when I don't eat. You understand?
When was the last time you ate?
I tell you, say the last time we eat about Saturday because we are afraid panic. So last time we eat, all my son, he forget his medication, then went up in the car. Every minute we are blackout. We are blackout every minute. Because we hungry, we not even have a soul in our belly. It's cheer we. Right, so
where's your husband now?
I tell you, say, he gone up on a wall building there, so look up there, so.
Yes, I'm seeing it.
He right up there, so right on the wall, upstairs and downstairs, business where unfinished. If I don't see him, go over there, you see him. Go over there, miss, please.
Yes,
I beg you, and go over there, go see my son.
We're going to go over there and see. But thank you so much for speaking to us. And
My son a teacher Gregory Clark.
I see some people coming over right now, and I'm hoping that they'll be
And
able to
my husband again in here, Oliver Stewart. My son name Gregory Clark. Me name Nicola Gaudi.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Gaudi.
Yes, miss. Thank you very much. Oh God, thank you, please. Thank you.
So happy I did so, and I spoke with you this evening.
Maybe I you come to save my life. Thank you, please.